Before cleaning, please disconnect the power and reset the laser operating origin. Open the Cloud laser glass cover plant. Remove the laser head dust cover and remove the tracheal diameter port. Remove the screw ring attached to the bottom of the laser head. Turn the right screw to move the cutting platform downward. Slowly remove the focus lens from below. Turn the nozzle off and wipe it with a swamp. Use a cotton swamp dipped in alcohol and do not touch the surface of the focusing lens with your fingers. Then use a cotton swamp to wipe the surface of the focusing lens and wipe the inner lens of the focusing lens. Wipe the reflector. Wipe several times until the mirror is clean. If there are spots in the middle of the lens that cannot be wiped off after cleaning, and the lens needs to be replaced, please take a photo and contact us. Wipe the small hole on the dust cover shelf. Wipe and then put the focus mirror back. Put back dust cover.